What's the matter, Lindsay?
It's bleeding!
Oh, it is? Lindsay, it's just a splinter. And it's gone. It's not even bleeding. Look, your foot. It's not bleeding, I promise.
But it looks like it.
Lindsay, look at me. It's fine. It's gonna be okay.
No, it's not.
It's gonna be okay.
My
Lindsay, it's okay. Look, I got it out and it's not even bleeding anymore. It wasn't even bleeding to begin with. There's no more splinter. You're okay.
I know, but it hurts and it looks like it's still bleeding.